Hey friends, welcome back to Magician Word. I'm here at Adventures Float Trip office. Got the canoe loaded up. Got Michelle here with me. And we are about to head to the river. We're going to go down the Niangua River and we're going to do an overnighter for the first time. Okay, so we're driving down Corkery Road. We're going to put in here at Barkley, and we just paid that lady $45, and she is going to shuttle our car down to Lead Mine Access. So we're going Barkley to Lead Mine. It's supposed to be about 17 miles, and we're going to spend the night on the river. Okay, and we are packed up. All right, and here we are, 11:40, and we're finally lifting off. We had a bunch of Boy Scouts here, gonna get their merit badge for canoeing. And we're just leaving our car, and that lady hopefully will pick it up, take it where it needs to go. We'll keep you updated. It's a monolith. Monolith. You never saw 2001: A Space Odyssey?
4-million-year-old black monolith has remained completely inert.
That's the monolith. This is the place she said would come up real soon. Spectacular. It's the Hidden Valley access point. I'm loving it. So go. Go. Woo.
I love the feeling so much. I don't ever want it to end. And so I always have to be fully present in the now and not think about, how much longer we have, when are we going to be done. I want this to last. Tonight is great because it's like, even after we float and make camp, we still get to float tomorrow. So, it gets good extra stuff.
It really does.
What's your channel?
It's called Magician Word.
Magician Word.
It's on YouTube.
Remember when the kid in the line said he had a channel?
Follow Magician Word on YouTube. You don't want to miss it. Great channel. Go check it out. Come float the Niangua.
here is the NRO out. Alright, there it is.
Here I go. Come back up.
Okay, so that is where all the Boy Scouts are going to get at. And that is the NRO output. So pretty soon we're going to start looking for some firewood and maybe a place to camp as we go this way. All right, we're just a little ways past. What was the name of it? Old
Haggard Man Takeout, NRO.
It was the Old Haggard Man Takeout at the NRO. And now this thing has changed. It is just the two of us. And I think our float is going to get a lot more remote. Our 6:30 and we have found our camping spot. Here's where we brought our canoe in. We're going to drag that up and we're going to camp right here. And we are this close to the water. So we'll keep you posted. Okay, friends, here is my view from our campsite. And there's going to be our fire in just a little bit right next to the river. Here's our tent over on this side. Here's our kitchen area right there. We're going to cook us up some nice steaks. Get a little wood. We need to go get some more wood. There's some wood right over there, we're figuring. And we are set up for the night. Whoops, this is a video. All right, wish us luck.
Yeah.
All right, just cooking up a couple of steaks on our little barbecue, our little weenie skewers here. Look at that, look how good that's looking. Right there, oh, look at that. Good morning. Oh, made it through the night. We had several critters tried to come visit us in the night, but Michelle would not let me get out. Just checking out Blake's Island here. There is the water right there. It's like maybe 25 feet across where we're camped. There to there. And this is our little island we were on. Going to get our cowboy coffee going this morning. And we say a bittersweet bye-bye to Blake Island. There it is, our camp spot for the night. But we've got a whole new journey downriver. Niangua River coming at you, day 2. Oh goodness, this is so beautiful. Completely shaded. Day 2. This is unbelievable. It's after 1 o'clock. Haven't seen anybody all day. Got Michelle up there driving. She's doing a good job. Look at her paddling up there. That's it. Got the whole river to ourselves. Actually, if I could set up a rear view camera, I could drive from back here. I like that idea. I think I just got $1 million idea, boys. Never have I taken a float trip that I haven't seen anybody all day. If that's the case today, I mean, just Michelle. It's a good thing she's here. I'd be lonely. All right, we're nearing 4 o'clock now, and we just saw 2 people who said that we were 3/8 of a mile from our put out, and they looked like they knew what we were talking about. So I think we're getting close to the end. Sad but true. This has been a marvelous 17, as the guy said that I just talked to, the only 2 humans we've seen all day, and we just saw them at the very end. 17 and a half miles of joy. That was his quote. And it really is, if you enjoy this kind of thing at all. And take out at Lead Mine. And that is a 17 and a half mile canoe float.